What's up? Hey glow girls, it's Manur and I'm back with another glow recipe for you. First, I'm starting with a fresh carrot. I'm cutting off the bottom and top. Then I'm gently peeling the carrot, remove the outer and nicely, blah blah blah. I'm just taking my time with this step so it's clean and ready to use. Please make sure your carrot is clean and properly peeled. Now I'm grating the carrot and make sure it's finely grated for better results. Please make sure it's finely grated for better results. This helps all the natural goodness of the carrot released. Next, I'm using a soft muslin cloth. Please use soft muslin cloth, not the other clothes. This step is also really important because we only want the smooth, creamy and liquid for our skin. What I say? Don't waste it and get every last drop out. We work hard for this. This helps give a clean and smooth base for the mixture we make. After extracting all the juice, I'm setting the grated carrot aside in the bowl and take away the juice aside. By the way, girls, tell me which natural ingredient should I try next, or which video you want next. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of rice and washing it properly 2 to 3 times just to make sure it's clean and free from any impurities. Please take your time with this step and clean your rice away. Although this step is simple, but it's really very important for me. Rice helps gently brighten the skin, as we all know. It's also improves the skin texture and makes your skin feel soft and brighter and smoother. Such a simple ingredient, but trust me, it's really effective for a natural glow. And then followed by some flaxseeds, my personal favorite. They help nourish the skin and support a healthy glow. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of it. Then take a pan and everything goes into a pan. Then I'm cooking it on a low flame until it becomes soft and rice becomes boiled. Natural ingredient like these can really help refresh dry looking skin and it's my favorite thing to do. Make DIY for my skin. Make something which provides me natural goodness, make me better person. It's my favorite thing to do. And also yours. Don't waste your time on those shitty things. Do these things for yourself. Once it's fully cooked, I'm taking it off the heat. Then I'm transferring it into a hand blender. Take your time with this step also so everything blends smoothly. Blending it really well until it turns smooth and creamy. It starts turning smooth and soft and creamy and texture looks so nice. Then you stop. After blending everything together, I am straining it to get a finer, smoother texture. This makes it gentle and easy to apply on the skin. You can use muslin cloth also, but this is really easy. And then I'm straining it, and then again straining it, and then straining it, and then straining it. This is really stressful for me, but kinda cool. Finally, I'm done with this step. I am adding the juice of carrot and then mix all of them together to make a better carrot puree. Like this. Then I'm adding a 4 to 5 drops vitamin E oil go in. This helps hydrate, repair and protect the skin barrier. as we all know, where skin is really dry in every season, even in summers also. Finally, it's done, and I'm transferring it into a clean jar. Girls, you can store this in the fridge and use it whenever you need. Please tell me which country are you watching from and what's the weather there right now? There, my country is it's really hot, and I don't like summers. If there anyone who doesn't like summers like me, please tell me in the comment sections. I wanna talk to you. Apply it on your skin, clean skin, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It brightens the skin, improves texture, and give a soft, natural glow. Now let's move on the next video. For the second remedy, taking another fresh carrot and grating it finely. You want nice and fine for better results. Carrot helps improve skin texture and give a natural healthy glow. So we make a carrot oil for our face and body. Transferring it into a glass bowl. Using a glass bowl is always a better option for skincare mixes. Then I'm taking 4 to 5 bay leaves. Bay leaves help purify the skin and support a clearer look. They can also be used on our body and may help reduce body acne over time. Simple ingredient but really useful. Next, I'm adding some coconut oil. This helps deeply moisturize and make the skin feel soft and smooth. By the way, do you like using oils in your skincare routine? Tell me in the comment section. Then mix them all together, and I'm placing this on a water bath and letting it sit for about 25 to 30 minutes. This helps all the ingredients infuse properly and bring all the natural benefits. Adding water just below the level of the glass bowl. Make sure the water doesn't touch or go inside the bowl. Also, what's your skin type? Dry, oily, or combination? Also tell me in the comment section. After oil soak everything, I'm taking it out. Here is a quick reminder for you girls. Hygiene is actually everything when it comes to skincare. Like, we all focus on so much products, expensive products, but if our tools and hands aren't clean, it really affects the results. Always make sure your hands are clean before touching your face, and honestly, your skin reflects your habits. The more clean and consistent you are, the better your skin looks over time. Also, don't forget to change your pillow covers regularly, because that can cause breakouts without you even noticing and realizing it, girls. And it's ready to use our amazing carrot oil, such a simple but powerful natural mix. And tell me, which natural remedy should I try next? Don't forget to like, save, and follow for more natural beauty recipes, and let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. Bye bye, girls.